So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi. And look at what's behind me. Whoa! A blue and yellow airplane! Yeah! Did you see how I was acting like an airplane? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I sure do love airplanes. But hey, today I'm at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. And today you and I are gonna learn about airplanes. Yeah, let's go! Oh, hello. Welcome to Blippi Airlines. Where are you heading today? Wow, that sounds like a great destination. Is it for business or pleasure? Awesome. All right, let's see. You are all checked in. Do you have a bag? Okay, perfect. Ooh, thank you. Okay, let's put the bag on the scale. All right, looks like you're within the limitation, so let me put this on the conveyor belt. Okay, well, have a great flight. But wait a second, that sounds like so much fun. Do you mind if I come? Perfect, all right. There we go. Now I have a ticket too. Okay, let me come around. I am so excited for our trip together. Hey, we have to go through security, all right? Oh, did you hear that? Oh, that means I must have something I shouldn't have on me. Oh, I know what it is. It's just my cell phone. All right, I'll put that there. Come on. All right, here we go. Perfect, let's go. Wow, look at the airplane. Whoa, look at the fuselage, the cabin, and look at the tail up there. Whoa, this is gonna be such a fun flight. All right, let me put your bag down right here. There you go, bag. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, a fuel truck. Whoa, check it out. Fuel. All right, let's grab the hose and let's make sure that the airplane has a lot of fuel. Here we go, let's connect it. Oh, perfect, it's full. All right, here we go. Okay, now that the aircraft has a lot of fuel, now we can buckle up. Okay, first, let's put on our seatbelt. There we go. Okay, now we'll listen for instructions for the flight.
Thank you for choosing Blippi Airlines. Please mind the aisles and be sure to find the nearest emergency exit. Buckle your seatbelt and make sure it's nice and tight. And in case you need an air mask, it will come down from above.
All right, now that we got the safety briefing and passengers are seated, now I think I should fly the airplane. Whoa, check it out. Wow, so many cool gauges and instruments. Whoa, all right, here we go. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, check it out. See this airplane? It's so big! Yeah! I am way smaller than this airplane. And do you see what these are? Yeah! These are called wings. Most airplanes have 2 wings that go from the side, but not all of them. Some have more. Whoa, and look at this. See, the main body of the airplane is called the fuselage. Wow, this airplane is actually used to put people inside and transport them from one location to the other location. Just like, say, a car or a boat or a bicycle, but way quicker. But hey, remember how I said this airplane is so big? Here, come follow me, and I have another airplane for you. And it is not very big. Remember how I said that plane is really big? Check this one out. Whoa! Yeah, this plane is small. Well, it's smaller compared to that plane, but I'm sure there's smaller airplanes than that one, but hey, what colors do you see on it? Yeah, red, white, and blue. Yeah, woohoo! Oh, and what shape is that? Oh, yeah, that looks like a star. Whoa, this plane looks like it goes so fast. Whoa! Whoa, check it out. This engine actually goes to an aircraft. Yeah, but there's no outside casing around it. Whoa, it is so big. Look how big it is compared to me. And do you see everything in there? There's so many hoses and tubes and... Oh, geez. So the air goes in right here, gets compressed, fire, and then boom! Whoa! These tires are so big! And there's actually 2 tires right there. Yeah, we're at the front of the aircraft. So let's head to the back of the aircraft and see how many tires are back here. Whoa! Do you see them? Wow! There's so many more tires back here. Wow, this plane must be really heavy. Yeah, that's probably why they have so many tires. Whoa! And look how big this wing is! If it was raining, I definitely would not get wet. Whoa! Check out this airplane. It looks like it goes really fast. Hey, what color of airplane is it? Yeah, you're right. It's blue with a little bit of yellow. Good job. Whoa, look at how big that airplane is. Whoa, do you see the colors of it? Yeah, it's white, red, and gray. Let's go find some more colors. Whoa, look at this airplane. Do you see something different with it? Yeah, there's 2 wings over here. And there's 2 on the other side. Yeah, so it has 2 sets of wings. That's really cool. But hey, we're here to learn the color of it. What color is this airplane? Yeah, you're right. You said green. Good job.
All the people, they look like ants when we're up with the birds. On the airplane, the wings keep us gliding. We're on top of the world. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. Get your passport, get your luggage. We're going on an adventure. Wear your seatbelt, feel the plane taking off and take in the view. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh yeah, yeah. We're going to fly.
airplanes with you today at the Museum of Flight in Seattle, Washington. Do you like airplanes? Yeah, I do too. They're so cool how high they fly in the sky. And how they're small airplanes and big airplanes. Wow. Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Whoa, and look at what it is. Whoa, it's an airplane. Today, I'm at Air at the Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. And you and I are gonna learn about, airplanes. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, let's learn the exterior parts of the airplane. Do you see this? This is the nose of the airplane. Do you know why it's called the nose? Yeah, because it looks like a nose. Oh, hey, come over here. Up here, those are the windscreens. They kind of look like windshields. Yeah, just like in cars. Whoa, so you don't get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Ooh, check out down here. Whoa, kind of looks like a wheel and a tire. Wait a second, that's because it is a wheel and a tire. This is the nose gear. This helps the airplane while it's on the ground. Whoa! This is the cabin entry door. Check it out. Woo! Now we can go inside. Hello? Hello? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, look down here. It's another landing gear. This is the main landing gear. Yeah, it's another wheel and a tire. And there's another one on the other side. Oh, and the windows. Look, that's where the passengers look out from. Hello. Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa, good job! Whoa, what is this? It's a wing! Whoa! Whoa! It's so long! Wow, and it's so shiny! Look! Hello! Hey! Oh! Ooh, come back over here! Wow, that is the jet engine. Do you see it spin in a circle? Whoa, around and around it goes. That's what provides the airplane with all of its power. Whoa! Come on! Whoa, and the main body of the aircraft is called a fuselage. Let's go to the back. Oh, wait, see that? That is the empennage. Yeah, the back of the aircraft. Ooh, and in here, there's a cargo compartment. You have to open up, just like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. You can store a lot of bags in there. Whoa. Oh, and look up here. Wow! That is the horizontal stabilizer fin. That is the vertical stabilizer fin. It helps the aircraft be nice and stable in the air. Whoa! Ooh, another compartment. Wow. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa! Check it out! A bunch of engine stuff. Whoa! So interesting. Hey, I have another compartment to show you. Whoa! Whoa! Look! Huh, what does this say? Fuel. 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 Oh, yeah! This is the fuel compartment. What? Whoa! Check it out! Yeah, that's where the fuel goes. Fuel is kind of like food or water to you and I. Whoa! It's what powers and provides fuel to the jet engine. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! This plane is pretty awesome! There are so many types of planes out there, like this one. This plane is a business plane, and it's a passenger plane. And there's also leisure planes. They look pretty similar. There are agriculture planes. Whoa! There's also cargo planes. Whoa! They can hold a lot of cargo. Hey, yeah, seaplanes. Whoa! Seaplanes can land on land. Ooh, and military planes. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, there are so many types of planes out there. I love planes. Now, let's take a flight inside the airplane. Come on. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh, watch your step. Come on. Whoa, check it out over here. Wow, this is the cockpit, and those are the pilots.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, let's take a seat. Oh, just like in a car, there's seat belts. Yep. First things first, safety first. You have to buckle up. Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Since we're not up in the air yet, let's go check out what the pilots are up to. Whoa, can you see? It's kind of like they're driving a car, but it's actually an airplane. Look! We're not touching the ground at all. Here, look. Whoa, did you see that? That's downtown Seattle. And I saw the Seattle Space Needle. Whoa! Wow! That was so much fun flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe. Hey, I was just doing the airplane dance. Will you do the airplane dance with me? This is gonna be so much fun. Here, I'll teach you. First, you put up your arms like you're an airplane. Whoa! Whoa! And you dance when you hear the music. But when the music stops, don't move a muscle. Ready? I sure do love acting like an airplane. So peaceful flying in the air. Whoa, it's like I'm a bird. Wait, no, I'm an airplane. Hey, how about we sing the airplane song?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing.
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far.
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile.
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure.
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. its wings, waving down at me.
Hey, airplane!
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
Woo! Let's go inside the airplane. Come on! Whoa! Wow! This airplane is so nice! Hey, look! It's a seat, ready just for me. Safety first. You have to buckle up. Ooh, and check this out. Wow! It's like a desk where I can do all of my editing on. Oh, enough of that. I need some water. You have to always remember to hydrate. After a long day of playing, you need to drink a lot of water. Okay, let's put the desk back. Perfect. Ooh, and check out back here. Check it out. It's a sink. Whoa, you can wash your hands right there. Woo-hoo. It's really important to keep your hands nice and clean. Ooh, and what's this? Aw, looks like a seat, but there's no seat belt. Huh. Whoa! We know what that is. Yeah, that's if you need to use the restroom when you're in the air. Whoa. Wow, I have an idea. Let's go check out the cockpit. Come on! Whoa! Whoa! This is a really tight squeeze. I don't think the Empire had Wookiees in mind when they designed this cockpit. Okay, anywho, first things first. Safety first. Let's buckle up. Okay. Lap belt secured. And then we need our headset. Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, yeah! Woo! Tower, tower! This is Pilot Blippi. We're ready for takeoff.
Okay, Pilot Blippi, you're good to go.
Yeah, good job. Okay, then you grab the yoke. Whoa, look! Both yokes move at the same time. Whee! Yokes are kind of like steering wheels in a car. Whoa, and look at all of this! There's so many cool gadgets and avionics and buttons. I'm not gonna touch them for now. Ooh, and the throttle. Ooh. Push that forward, and then that's when you go really fast. Whoa! Ooh. And once you're in the air, this is the landing gear. Pull that up, and then the wheels and tires go inside the aircraft. Whoa! Airplanes are so cool. Hello! Whoa! That was so much fun learning about airplanes with you. Well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. Thank you so much to Air and Air. Bye-bye. Hello, friends. It's me, Blippi. And today we're exploring construction vehicles. Let's see. Can you guess which vehicle this is? Let's go find out. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wow, and look at where I'm at. Yeah, today I'm at Tenino, Washington at a job site. Yeah, and today you and I get to learn about a machine. Yeah, a really heavy machine. Has a really big blade up front, pushes anything and everything out of its way. Has a lot of power. It's a little slow though. And it starts with the letter B, just like my name. Do you know what machine it is? Okay, let's go find out. Woohoo! Whoa! Check it out. Wow, a piece of construction equipment. And this is a powerful piece of construction equipment. Do you know what machine this is? Yeah, this is a bulldozer. Whoa, wow, it is so powerful. Here, come on. Whoa, this is the blade of the bulldozer. Yeah, the blade pushes anything and everything out of its way. And then it goes flat on the ground and then makes the ground nice and flat. Whoa! Whoa! And how it gets all of its power is right here. Yeah, the engine. And this is the engine compartment. Yeah, it produces a lot of power and a lot of smoke out of the exhaust. Whoa, super cool. Hey, do you see these? Huh, this is silly. Yeah, there's no wheels and tires. That's silly, huh? Oh, these are called tracks. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, these metal things go down into the dirt, the gravel, the mud, so then it has really good traction, so then it doesn't slip and slide. All right, I think I should take it for a spin. Woohoo! Whoa, so comfortable. All right, first things first, safety first. Perfect. Now that I'm nice and safe with my seatbelt, we can operate the bulldozer. Yeah, you operate a bulldozer. You do not drive a bulldozer. Okay, see these hand controls? This is how you operate the bulldozer. This one makes you go forward and backward, and this one, yeah, this is what you use to control the blade. All right, here we go. Let's turn on the key. Woohoo! All right, flip up the safety doodads, and here we go. Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Woohoo! All right. Whoa! Was fun. That was awesome! Wow, what a powerful machine. Did you see that big blade up front? Yeah, it's so good and powerful. It pushes anything and everything out of its way. Our first vehicle was a bulldozer.
They are such an important piece of equipment and help clear the way. Can you guess what this next vehicle is? Let's go check it out.
Let me give you some hints on what piece of machinery we're gonna learn about. Okay, it's a machine that loves to dig. Yeah, it typically has tracks. Yeah, has an arm and a boom and a bucket. Digs big holes, and it starts with the letter E. Can you guess it? Okay, here we go. Yeah! This excavator? Yeah, I was driving and holding this giant log. Wait, did you hear that? Yeah! An excavator! Wow! What a cool machine. This is actually a mini excavator. Yeah, they have small ones like this, and they have big ones like that. Wow! Hey, did you see I was sitting in the seat? Yeah, this is the cab of the excavator. Wow, there's so many controls in there. Oh, so cool. Hey, and look down here. Wow. Yeah, just like a bulldozer, this excavator has tracks. But a bulldozer's tracks are metal, and these, yeah, they're rubber, like tires. Wow, that is really cool. The cab can swing around. Yeah, did you see me swing around? Whoa, so cool. Oh, and up here, wow, it's hard to see because the bucket is right here, but this is the blade. Just like a bulldozer, this excavator has a blade to flatten things out and push things out of its way. And where this log is sitting, yeah, this is the bucket of the excavator. Wow, this bucket has some big teeth. Yeah! Whoa, whoa, and look at this. This kind of looks like a big tooth, but this is actually called a thumb. Wow, the thumb is used to grab things, just like this log. Whoa, and all this is the arm and the boom, which then can lift up, swing around, and use the bucket to dig. Yeah, I think I should hop on in and do some digging. Woohoo!
I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. Got a big I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt! See you later. I'm an excavator.
Whoa! Look at how big this hole is that I just dug. Wow, so cool. Hey, and look at this big pile of dirt. Whoa, I love dirt. Yeah, because it's fun to play around in, and it's the perfect home for some plants. Woohoo! Here we go. Here you go, plants. Woohoo! Wow, excavators are awesome. Yeah!
Wasn't that excavator so cool? I love getting to dig things up, and an excavator makes it so easy and fun.
Whoa! That sure was fun learning about that excavator today, wasn't it? Yeah! You can dig some massive holes with the excavator. And since it doesn't have wheels and tires, it has tracks. Yeah, you never get stuck. Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And look at what it is. Whoa, it's a real ice cream truck. And today, you and I are gonna learn about ice cream trucks. Woo! All right, now let's learn the parts of this ice cream truck on the outside. Whoa, it's so colorful. Whoa, and look, there's some ice cream right here. We have a strawberry shortcake, we have an ice cream sandwich, we have a drumstick, and we have a red, white, and blue ice cream. Ooh, look at these. So cool. They're pink rims, so then the ice cream truck can drive around on the street. Ring, ring, ring. Sweet wheels and tires. Ooh, what's this? Huh, it says, children, slow, crossing. It looks like there's lights. Let me show you. Wow. All right, you see this red knob? You pull it out and watch what happens. Whoa! These lights flash orange, and the sign comes out from the ice cream truck. So then you know not to get close to the ice cream truck, or at least just be very weary so then you don't get hurt. So we'll keep that out right now. And let me show you something else. Ooh, you see this? This is a switch for music. You hear that music? That means the ice cream truck is coming to you, so then you can get some ice cream. Ooh, and look at right here. Some social media of this exact ice cream truck in Las Vegas, Nevada. Sweet. Oh, and look right here. Look at all these ice cream choices we have. Whoa, this one has the color red, orange, green. Oh, and look at this one. One of my 2 favorite colors. Orange. Yum! Ooh, a Ninja Turtle. Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. And let's see here. Remember this one? Yeah, it's on the other side too. It's the strawberry shortcake. Yum! Oh, look at this. This is the window that you walk up to. And this is where you order your ice cream from. Huh. Hello? Hello? Wait a second. No one's in here. I have an idea. Maybe you and I can go inside and serve some people some ice cream. Come on. Woo. All right, now let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. But first, we need to turn on the generator. This is what provides power to the freezer. Let's turn it on. Whoa! It's like a mini engine that produces power to keep the freezer really cold. But the freezer's already cold, so we can turn it off. All right, let's hop in the back and serve some ice cream. Whoa! The inside of an ice cream truck! So excited! Whoa! This is where the driver of the ice cream truck sits. It's just like a normal vehicle. A steering wheel, a shifter knob, a set of keys. But we're not here for driving. We're here for ice cream. Wow. This big white thing right here, this is the freezer. Let's open it up. Whoa! Look at all this ice cream. All right, let's pick out 5 ice cream bars. Ready? Huh. All right. Okay, got 1. 1. Ooh. 2. Oh, here's 1. Ooh. 3. Oh, whoa. Oh, over here. 4. All right. And let's see. Here we go. All right. 5. All right. 5. Let's shut this to keep them nice and cold. So right here, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice cream bars. But now we need 3 snacks. Okay. How about some popcorn? 1. How about some chips? 2 snacks. Oh, what else? Oh, yum! All right. 3 snacks. So we have 5 ice cream bars and 3 snacks. 5 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yum! All right, now we need to let everyone know on Twitter and Instagram where we are. All right. Have some ice cream here. Let's pass it out. All right. First we have cotton candy. Who wants cotton candy?
Ooh, yum. There you go.
Sit.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. We have an ice cream sandwich.
That's me.
Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And a Hello Kitty. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. Enjoy the ice cream.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. That was so much fun learning about this ice cream truck with you. Well, this is the perfect time for the funny fun ice cream song.
Let's make some ice cream that's yummy, yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny, fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny, fun ice cream. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. With whipping cream and bananas, please. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. Let's make some funny, fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Warm and gooey nuts and cherries on top. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Green, red, and yellow yummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Yum!
Ooh, look at what I have. This is some toy clay, and I'm acting like it's ice cream, but it's actually a toy, so be sure not to eat it. All right, see? This is like vanilla ice cream. Yum! And this is like chocolate ice cream. Ooh, and look, we have some ingredients. Ooh, like this? Yeah, some strawberry syrup. Okay, let's take off the cap, and here we go. Yum! Ooh, and look at this one. That's like chocolate syrup. Whoa. Oh, let's put some over here again. All right. Yum, that looks tasty. And what we can put over on the chocolate ice cream is maybe some whipped cream. Yum! Here we go. Oh, that looks tasty! Ooh, look at what we have over here. Some more toy molding clay. I think this deserves a cherry on top. Okay, let's take some off right there. And then squish it, squish, 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 squish. And let's roll it up. Ooh, that looks like a cute cherry. Let's put a little dimple up top. Yeah. All right, let's put it right on the chocolate ice cream. Yum! That looks tasty. But like I said, be sure not to eat it. And this one looks like we have some blue and some orange. Blue and orange, my two favorite colors. Let's make some gummy worms. All right, let's take half of this, orange, roll it out. Okay, ooh, look at that. An orange gummy worm. Put it right on top right here. And then let's take the blue and we'll make another gummy worm and put it right there. All right, roll it out. Ooh, look at that gummy worm. Let's lay it right there. And there we have two tasty looking toy ice creams. Yum! Well, this is the end of this video. It was so much fun learning about the ice cream truck with you and listening, dancing, and singing to the funny fun ice cream song. Well, if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye!